So you want to trade for a prop firm, but you don't know which prop firm to choose because there's so many out there right now, especially at the time I'm making this video. There's FTMO, there's my forex fund, there's FXseed, the prop trading, Trader Central Fund, and Ford. There's a lot of them giving you different kinds of they have different kinds of offers, and you just don't know which one to pick for. And it can be very, very overwhelming because you want to do this because they're the best, they have the best reviews, but their price is too expensive, and you don't want to pick this because their price might be cheap, but there's no credibility, there's no reviews like that. Even though the price is cheaper, you're still skeptical to pick that one. So there are lots of prop firms out there, and it's very important you go with what your gut tells you and pick the right one that can suit your needs at the current position that you're in. I'm currently funded by FTMO and the prop trading, and the prop trading doesn't really have enough reviews yet for an average person to sign up with them, but it's a risk that I'm taking right now. Hope everything works out well. So if I'm gonna choose any prop firm, it's gonna be FTMO, and down the line, if everything goes well with the prop trading, I'm gonna stick to both prop firms. I would no longer trade for I was thinking of trying Funding Talent. I would no longer go with them. I was earlier on this year, I was trying the Trader Central Fund challenge. It didn't work out well for me, so I'm not going to try it again because I found FTMO and the prop trading, which have very, very good rules and everything like that. So now, should you actually trade for a prop firm to begin with? I think it depends on what your financial situations are. If you think what's gonna take you to that next level is trading for a prop firm, what's gonna make you financially free is by trading for a prop firm, because some people have $500 account, $1,000 account, $2,000 account. If your account is kind of in this range, you might want to consider prop firm trading, because trading such a small account might take you a while before you start seeing the cash flow coming in regards to your trading performance. But if you want a little boost, if you want a boost of your income to go from $100 to maybe $7,000 a month, then a prop firm is a very, very great option, especially when you don't have an investor that can trust you with your because you don't have any record to show them. So you might want to go to a prop firm because you go through a series of evaluation that proves you are capable of managing your funds, and if you are able to pass that, they give you some capital to trade. And if you're able to just maintain your emotions and trade professionally, you'll be able to make money. If you're trading a $100,000 account, there's a very good chance of you making $7,000 every single month if you're very disciplined with your trading. So prop firm trading is a very, very great tool. I like to refer to it as a tool to get you what you want. You don't really see it as a final destination, because it's like a boost. It boosts you to where you want to get to. Because keep in mind, all these prop firms have rules that you have to follow. So every time you wake up, you have to keep those rules in mind. Basically, you're not your own boss. That's what I'm trying to say. You are working for someone. You have to follow their rules, because if you don't follow the rules, just like any other workplace, you are going to get fired. They are going to take the account from you, and to get it back again, you have to pay money. So you are working for someone, and as long as you remain a prop firm trader, you will continue to follow their rules, and if you break the rule, God forbid, you lose the account. So keep that in mind. As far as you remain a prop firm trader, you're working for someone, but you don't want to remain here for too long. I like to say maximum 1 year. After 1 year trading for prop firms, that's enough time to build a nice portfolio or to make enough money for yourself, so you can save up some funds and begin trading your own funded account under your own name. I have my own personal trading account where I try as much as possible to to trade my own funds, even though the fund is actually, the capital in it is kind of small. But once I start making my withdrawals from from the prop firms I'm trading for, I'll be putting some money in the trading account so I can build that up. So by the time I want to stop trading for the prop firms, I have enough capital. My goal is to have at least $500,000 in my own trading account. Once I have that, I will stop trading for prop firms, because it's gonna be my own account, my own rules. And anything goes. If it's under my own account, anything goes. I don't have to follow anybody's rules. I'm my own boss. All the profits are mine. I don't have to split it with anyone. So that is my end goal. and it's very important you start thinking, this way, so that the end goal is to be financially free and to be your own boss. That's the end goal. There's nothing in between. So that's the end goal. And should you trade for a prop firm? Absolutely. If you need to, trading for a prop firm doesn't mean you're gonna miss out on the character building phase. Some people like to say, oh, if you trade for a prop firm and you make too much money too soon, it's not gonna give you the character you need. No, if you're able to pass the challenge and verification, that's enough for them. That's enough to prove that you probably know what you're doing. And if you make it, because anyone can fail the challenge and verification. Even the best traders out there, anything can happen. Failing the challenge shouldn't define you as a trader. It just means maybe the one or two things you still have to learn and solidify. But what was I saying? I think I lost my chain of thought there. So if you're able to make your first withdrawal, it kind of means you know what you're doing, and you're a good trader. And as far as you're consistent with that, you'll be fine, and you'll be able to build a future for yourself. So that is what I have to say about prop trading. There's really nothing much to say. This year, the previous year, and the year before that has been a really big it's like, what a time to be alive, when all these prop firms are just competing with each other, and you have so many options to pick from for a low price. The best options are out there. So be careful when you're trading for prop firms. Pick wisely, read the reviews, make sure you have someone that has done something that something you can trust. You need to have a level of trust, especially if you don't know what's going on. For me right now with the prop trading, I'm still waiting to see what's going on. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm a risk taker, so well, we'll find out. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.